Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily work with widgets in new iOS 14. So for fixing it, you just need to go to widgets, just turn left, and here you will see your widgets. So how you can take another place for them, so just move them. So just press and hold one of this icon and just move it from left to right, and now you can see that we can change place of our icons and also widgets too. So now you can also just choose widget you want to move, and here you can see that we can easily move it from one side to another, so everything's working. So this is the way how you can move them. Also, you can move them from this start page to your page with your icon. So just here you can see that we can take place on the home screen or on the next screens if you want. So just by moving this icon from left to right. So this is the way how you can change place of your widgets in iOS 14. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.